Do you believe that with just one simple trick, your orchid can bloom all year round? Let's find out together. Your dream orchid might be just one tip away. We're going to use baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour 500 milliliters of water. It's not just for cleaning. Baking soda can help prevent fungal diseases, balance pH levels, and keep your orchid's environment healthier. Dilute the juice with 500 milliliters of clean water. Next, we're going to use cucumber. Sliced it out. Cucumber is packed with water, vitamins, and natural antioxidants. It helps hydrate the orchid, supports leaf health, and gives a gentle nutrient boost. Where in the world are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to connect. And hey, if you're facing any challenges with your orchid, don't be shy, ask away. Let's grow and learn together on this plant-loving journey. Add the cucumber into the blender. Pouring 500 milliliters water. Let the blended solution rest for 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Let pouring 500 milliliters water. Stir the solution. Soak it for 20 minutes. Filter the solution through rails. Don't throw away the leftover cucumber pulp after blending. We're going to use it as a natural fertilizer for other plants. After soaking the oats for 20 minutes, we'll strain them and combine the oat water with the cucumber juice. They're packed with natural nutrients like B vitamin, zinc, magnesium, and iron, all of which help your orchid grow stronger and healthier. My orchid completely dried out, and all the roots shriveled up after it finished blooming. The flowers were beautiful, and now they're starting to fade and wither. The roots have also dried out and rotted. If you don't take proper care, the roots can rot and fail to grow properly. Trim off the damaged roots and broken leaves. We'll cut off the flower spike to allow the nutrients to focus on the plant itself. The orchids are beautiful, but unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to the flowers. The stem has developed white mold. Next, we're going to rinse the plant with clean water. I honestly can't believe it. Everything's rotted away and all that's left is just the stem. No leaves at all. But hey, don't give up just yet. Next, we're going to add some baking soda and mix it into a small cup of water. Use a cotton pad to wipe the stem and disinfect it, just like how we wash our hands. The stem has turned black and started to rot. Combine with baking soda water. Stir the solution. Next, we're going to soak the plant in a mixture of cucumber water, baking soda, and oat water. This blend is packed with nutrients and has gentle antibacterial properties, perfect for helping the orchid detox, hydrate, and absorb all the goodness it needs to start recovering. Soak it for 30 minutes. After soaking for 30 minutes, we'll take the orchid out and get it ready for the next step. Use cinnamon to dry the wound. Cinnamon helps dry out wounds and contains natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's like a healing powder for orchids, protecting cut areas from infection and helping them seal up safely. Next, we're going to prepare a new home for the plant. We'll use a heated stick or skewer to make drainage holes. This helps the pot release excess water easily and keeps the roots from sitting in moisture, which can cause rot. What do you think is most important for an orchid to stay healthy? Light, water, or nutrients? Drop a 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. What do you want to see in the next video? How to encourage rapid root growth, orchid care tips for the winter season. Quick Q&A. Are you facing any challenges with your orchid care? I'll answer them in the next video. The leftover solution can be used to water other plants or spray on your orchids for a boost of nutrients. We can dip a cotton pad into the solution and gently wipe the orchid. This helps the orchid absorb nutrients through the leaves while also removing any dust or dirt. Make sure to wipe gently. We can use a spray bottle to soak the plant thoroughly. We can soak the plant like this every 2 days. Look at this! My orchid is blooming beautifully, and the roots are strong and healthy, all thanks to this formula. It's amazing how the right care can bring such great results. I'm so happy with how it's thriving. After 4 weeks, from a plant that lost all its leaves, look, it's blooming now, everyone. Since the plant lost all its leaves, it's growing back now, so it's not very big yet. After 4 months, the roots are looking much stronger and more developed. They've grown thick and healthy, spreading out in all directions, eagerly searching for moisture and nutrients. The roots are firm, with a vibrant green color showing that the plant is thriving and well fed. It's amazing to see how much progress has been made in just a few months. The most amazing thing is that the leaves have grown back, and the flowers have bloomed beautifully, with long petals and so many buds, just like magic. I can hardly believe my eyes, it's such a transformation. This plant has truly come back to life, and it's so rewarding to see all the hard work paying off. And that's a wrap for today's orchid care journey. I'm so happy to share the transformation with you all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant tips. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next video.